everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about an absolute legend, a true inspiration, and a proud Filipina who made history, Hidilyn Diaz. If you don't know her story yet, you're in for a treat. Let's dive in! Davao, Mindanao, North, South, East, and West. I am Jana Crispy Baclayo.
And I am Gayan Antipaso. You are now watching
Good morning, Davao!
Hidilyn Diaz was born on February 20, 1991 in Zamboanga City, Philippines. Growing up in a humble family, she was no stranger to hard work, but who would thought that a young girl who helped her family fetch water using bamboo poles would one day become an Olympic champion.
Hidilyn's journey to the top wasn't easy. She started weightlifting at just 11 years old, and by 17, she was already competing in the 2008 Beijing Olympics, making her the youngest athlete from the Philippines to do so. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. She faced setbacks, injuries, and even doubts from people around her. But Hidilyn, she never gave up.
In 2016, Hidilyn made history by winning the silver medal at the Rio Olympics, the first Olympics medal for the Philippines in 20 years. This was a huge moment not just for her, but for the entire country. But she didn't stop there.
Fast forward to the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, and Hidilyn did the unthinkable. She won the gold medal in the women's 55 kilogram weightlifting category, breaking Olympic records and making history as the first ever Filipino Olympic gold medalist. Talk about a powerhouse!
Hidilyn's victory wasn't just about the medal. It was about perseverance, dedication, and the heart of the true champion. She became a symbol of hope and inspiration for millions of Filipinos and athletes around the world.
What I love most about Hidilyn's story is her humility and her willingness to give back. She's not just an athlete, she's a role model. She continues to inspire the next generation of all Filipino athletes through her training programs and advocacy for sports development in the Philippines.
Kamusta niyo yung advokasya mo na matulungan ng ating mga batang atlet?
Bumila ako ng lupa, nagtayo ako ng gym, doon napunta ang pera ng pagpapanalo ko. Masaya ako na makita na ang daming batang nagtutraining doon. 7 national athlete na nandun, galing sa Samampang, doon sa gym na yun, doon nagtutraining. During pandemic, halos lahat ng mga atleta ng nasa Zamboanga, taga Zamboanga, doon sila nagtutraining. Gusto kong makilala ang weightlifting sa Pilipinas para mabigyan ng opportunity yung mga bata makapag-aral gagaya ng nag-start ako.
Ako po si Rose Jean Ramos, isang batang weightlifter mula sa Mampang, Zamboanga City. Unang beses ko po nakita si Ate Hidilyn Diaz weightlifting gym po. Sabi ng kasama ko, magte-training daw po ako kaysa doon lang sa bahay. Naalala ko po yung wala pang gym po. Garahe lang yung nag-training namin. Tapos dalawa lang yung barbell po. Tapos kulang pa sa plates po. Marami na siyang natulungan. Lalo na sa amin dito sa Mampang po. Sobrang saya po. Mabait po siya. Bilang isang batang weightlifter, ang pangarap ko po ay maging isang kampiyon po. Kagaya ni Ate Hidilyn.
Sana intindihin nila na hindi lang to all about medal, it's also about preparation and the sport. Sana it serves you as inspiration na huwag kayong sumuko sa buhay, sa pangarap nyo. Sana magkaisa tayo, hindi lang ngayong Olympics, sana magkaisa po tayo as a Filipino.
Thank you very much, Hidilyn. Mabuhay ka. You made us all very proud.
Hidilyn Diaz proves that no dreams is too big and no obstacles is too great. Her story reminds us that with hard work, determination, and a little bit of faith, anything is possible.
So, what did you think of Hidilyn Diaz's incredible journey? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories like this one. Until next time, keep dreaming big and working hard. This is Jana Crispy Baclayo
And This is Gayan Antipaso.
Good
morning, Davao!
If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news, and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.